Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, My Inspiring Thoughts by Upadriti. Today, join me in my dessert journey to the traditional sweets of Kerala, a nature's paradise. The word dessert brings many sweet thoughts, so let's fulfill them. Returning from a Kerala trip without tasting a single kind of payasam is like returning from a trip to Hawaii without visiting even a single beach. The minute you talk of sweets, Kerala and Onam, Palada Pradaman or Palada Payasam comes to my mind. This is made by boiling crunchy rice ada in milk till it reaches a soft texture. To this, sugar is added and flavored with cardamom. To enhance the taste of this delicious dessert, it is garnished with raisins and cashew nuts. Kerala means backwaters and bananas. So, how can we miss the banana halwa? This sweet, with a glossy texture, is made of ripened bananas mixed with sugar, ghee, almonds, and cardamom powder. This heavenly dessert absolutely melts in your mouth. One of the most loved sweets of Kerala is Neyyapam. It is like a pancake made from rice flour, milk, coconut, jaggery, cardamom, and is fried in ghee. This delightful snack not only fills the stomach but also satisfies the sweet cravings. Unniyappam, a variant of the Neyyapam, is one of the traditional sweets of the state. I can never stop with just one Unniyappam. I am reminded of my home where the sweet, made with basic ingredients of mashed bananas, jaggery, and coconut, was served on almost all occasions. Adapradaman is popularly known as the king of sweets. This sweet reflects all the important flavors associated with Kerala. This authentic Adapradaman is made using the rice ada, coconut milk, banana, and jaggery, which reflects the culinary culture of the state. Bamboo rice from the Wayanad region is a highly nutritive food known as mulayari in Malayalam and Mungil Arisi in Tamil. In Kerala, this rice is used to make yummalicious payasam. Its unique taste really stands out. Chakka Pradaman is one delicious dessert which reminds me of my grandmother's culinary skills. I would relish her Chakka Pradaman prepared with the chakkavarati cooked in coconut milk. The preparation of chakkavarati is a laborious, time-consuming task. It is made by boiling jackfruit bulbs with jaggery and ghee and simmered for a long time to remove the water content. It stays good for over a year. Of course, many a time I would enjoy the chakkavarati as well by itself. In Kerala, you cannot miss the ever famous Karpu halwa or black jaggery halwa, which is a commonly available sweet. It prepared with basically just three ingredients: rice flour, jaggery, and ghee. Since the preparation is time consuming, it is widely sold in many stores. Ella Ade is a healthy delicacy as it is steamed. The name comes from Ella, which refers to banana leaf, and Ada refers to the steamed flat rice cake. It has a filling of a mixture of grated coconut, jaggery, flavored with cardamom. My grandma would sometimes add chakkavarati as the filling. Ella Ada has been one of my all-time favorites. Speaking of Kerala desserts and not mentioning the authentic Ney Payasam, how can there be? Did you know that Ney Payasam or Aravana Payasam is a special traditional payasam usually served as prasadam in Sabarimala temple and also in many other Kerala temples. This payasam, prepared with the winning combo of rice, jaggery and ghee, is made very sweet and has a different texture. After speaking about all these traditional desserts of Kerala, I cannot miss mentioning my favorite tea time snack, the Parampuri, which is made of the typical Nendra Param, rice flour, sugar, and is then deep fried. Yummy! Did you know that the popular panna cotta has an exotic cousin in Kerala cuisine? It is the Elanir pudding. True to its name, it has lots of tender coconut along with condensed milk, sugar, set with agar-agar or gelatin. It is extremely refreshing. Hope you also equally enjoyed this sweet glimpse of the vast variety of traditional desserts of God's own country, Kerala. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, just do that and hit the bell icon so that you can get to be part of this regular traditional dessert journey.